fully go, doesn't fully go. See how short it is? So it won't tighten to the chair. Bitin, yeah. There's no screw that is long and thick. Wait. Can you remove the plastic? I don't know if I can. Bitin yung nail also, and this plastic thing is too, it's, they should have put it a little farther. Baliktad kasi. This is the correct way. Maybe I should try it opposite then. But it will look like this if it's opposite. This will be outside. Sige, let's try the other side. Let's try the other side. Wait lang. I will finish today, Tita E. I don't want to finish tomorrow. Bukas na yun. Let's figure it out tonight. And yeah, this is the longest chubby screw. Go to sleep na, guys. Let's buy a longer screw. Guys, I am not tired yet. I want to finish this because I'm very stubborn. Tita, imagine it's okay. I won't stop until I get it. Yeah. Just because I will put it the other way. But if you want to sleep, guys, you can go. Yeah, I put pressure. Okay. Okay, let me try the other way. The opposite way. Like this. See, it looks wrong, but let's try. Thank you, Arnold. Guys, it won't talaga. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Thank you, Ross. Teach you. Kung kaya mo. Kaya ko pag... Oh, wait. Try the other side. May bukas pa naman. Thank you, Christine. mamaya pa. But if you guys wanna sleep, you can sleep na, guys. Ako, I'm not tired pa eh. I woke up at, I woke up at 2 o'clock. May lakad ka pa, yeah. May appointments at 1 pa na. This one's correct. Okay, this one is correct. It's the bottom that's correct. The top is not, Taleb will not help. Taleb will be sleeping, Tita E. You're awake at night kasi. Tomorrow when I wake up, I'm going out agad. See, it's correct, this one. But this top one is so annoying. I think it needs a longer. It needs a longer. I will go there. Come here, Tito E. I need a long, chubbier screw. That's what I need. It's long enough. Well, hello. Welcome to Quincy's Car Wash. My name is Ricky. Excuse me. My edges are looking a little bit rough right now. So I'm going to go get a quick little trim and wax. Yes, it's full body. Yes, it's very painful. But if you need anything while I'm gone, my associates will take care of you. Thank you, Arnold. Yeah, but I used the correct screws. I followed the manual kasi. This is the chubbiest screw they have. I'll try the ring thing again. Excuse me, what are you doing? This isn't sanitary for you or for the customers. And who the hell are y'all? Y'all got your asses out just. Thank you, Abdul. Oh, y'all, look at you. Jesus Christ. Now what the hell are y'all doing? Yeah, I put the ring. Thank you, Abdul. No. Yeah, mas magiging legit. I put the ring at the end. It won't talaga, guys. Ewan ko na talaga. Take a rest. I think I should buy. Ewan ko na. This is the correct side, guys. Because look at the other side. This is how it would look like if it's the wrong side. Like the hollow part. It's the plastic's fault inside there. PVE armrest. Let me Google. Let me YouTube it. Ginza. Chair. It needs a longer screw. Setup. longest screws. Kahit hindi siya, no? This is thin. Let's try the longest screws with the ring. Kasi yung manual, it said the coarse screw. So, okay, that's what we did. Sige, let's try the longest screw with a ring. Final. This will work.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for
What does lost trend mean? My table. Yeah, this is the longest screw, guys, pero masyado siyang manipis. It won't work. Wala, it won't work talaga. I don't know what they did wrong. I followed the screws naman. Leave it na. Walang kagat sa loob. It wouldn't let it go in because of that thing inside. It's too fit in ang screw and this thing in the plastic. It's not letting it go in. Fresh, hello. The one that you used ata kanina. Okay, let's try that one. Gising pa rin. Suko na rin si Arnold. Tulog na kayo, guys. Don't. I'm just being stubborn right now, guys. Like, promise. You don't have to watch me suffer. You really don't have to. I'm just torturing myself. Aha! I see! That's why the screw wouldn't go all the way in. in a hurry kasi. Ayan, hindi talaga ako susuko. Look at this. This is not screwed all the way. So this is the problem. Ayan. Ayan. Kasi... Oh my gosh. Okay. Finally. But it can go all the way in. What? Wait. But this is so short. Wait, let me attempt it on that one side. It's short. Paano ko? It's short. I'm trying it. It's so short, it doesn't even go through. Not this one. Not this one. I use the same screw for this thing here. Oh, it can go all the way. Why didn't I do it all the way? Silver badges waving. Mind-boggling task. Oh, thank you, Lee. It's too short, bestie. It wouldn't fit. Puro short though, guys. Wait lang, I'm trying to ano. Let's check. Wait, let me see this one. So many screws I used naman eh. 15 pieces yan, 5 short, 3 medium. Yeah. This is the same, like literally it's the same. Like the screws here. It's not this one. It's not this one. The one I used here is correct now. Literal na last one. It's not this one. It's not these three. It's not the one under here. I won. I don't know what to do. The only chubby screws here are this one. Tulog na kayo, guys. Don't worry. You don't have to stay with me. Promise. This chubby screw is the only one that fits here. What do I do about this? Okay. You know what? Let's watch the freaking video. I'll watch a video. YouTube na. Ayan na. I'm so hard-headed kasi even if there's a video, I don't watch it because I insist that I know how to do it.
And again, welcome to the last part of the video. So again, guys, thank you so
Sana
much.
all last part ng video. Wait. Let's get to the armchair, bestie.
It's the best. Okay, so it goes like this.
Okay, bestie, show us.
This is the time for us to